Don't forget our meeting next year, yeah? Oh yeah, sure. Just message me if you're going here. I will cook you adobo or sinigang, and I will challenge you to eat 10 balots. 10 balots. Okay? Thank you guys. 33 million in the house. Oh. You 5 balots, yeah? No, 10. I want you to try 10 balots. Good night, Miss Amin. Good night. Hello, Mr. Tommy. Tommy Samoki, hello. Shout out. 10 balots? Wow. Yeah, I want you to eat 10 balots. So that, um, you know, it can help your knee strong. You're not high blood, yeah? Because balot, it's not high blood people didn't allow to eat balot, you know? 10 balots for me to eat, it can make me incredible hope. Why? You don't want? Let's see if you become an incredible or Sangoku. The Dragon Ball Z. Me, me. OMG, be afraid of me. No, I'm not. I will fight you. Ming. Ming. Kulit-kulit tong pusa na. Where are you from, my friend? Arnold, are you from Indonesia? I'm sorry, I forgot. Are you from Indonesia or what? What planet? What planet? What planet are you living? Malaysia. Yeah. Yeah, I remember last time you told me you're from Malaysia. Malaysia is near here, you know. Also Asian country.